today's video. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. With a bunch of things that I want to share with you. And let's get started. I'm gonna get started with a couple of things here that are toys that someone's are desperate to get. So let's get to showing you those first, and then we can continue with the other things. And the first things are fashion doll Barbie clothes. Look at all this goodness. I actually like their presentation that they have it in the Ziploc instead of the plastic one here. I think it looks nicer. And you can see there were two other ones that came in this kind of a packaging that I didn't like. I like this ones because it was like a dress, and look it, this is like a dress and it comes with shoes and a purse. The other ones were pants, and sometimes the pants are not for like the actual Barbies or Disney doll Barbies. These are for the Dollar Tree Barbies, which have like like the legs are straight, there's no hip going on there. So there's this one which is really nice. It has like flare what is this called, sleeves, and it says 3 and up. And look at this one is like a fashion dress, and it's like gold, and it has the straps. I see here that it says it's fits most 11.5 inch doll, so that's like the size of a Barbie doll. There's that one. There's this one, look at that, with the sequency skirt for the dress. It has like it's strapless. Yeah, it is. It's strapless. So look at this. Keep the baggie so you can save the dresses there. Okay, look at that. There's that one with the sequency skirt. And then there's this one with like a lilac color, but it has like silver lines, and the top it's bluish, and it's also strapless. And then this one, it's the white with gold zigzag, or kind of like chevron, I want to say. Yeah, kind of like. And this one does have the sleeves. So in all, I got two strapless, and then I got two with not the sleeves, the little, what is this called, the straps, these. And then one that looks like that. I thought it was nice because it has this little flare to the sleeves, which is nice. And this is the only one. The other ones, the ones that come in this like Ziploc bag, do not have the shoes and the purse, and the ones that come like this do. So I do recommend, if you have little girls, to get these. They look cute. They'll have more outfits for the dolls, and the dolls won't be naked. You know what I mean? Here you go. Bunny ears. The yellow one is Layla's, and the pink one is for Luna. And they do have the furry side, and then the kind of plasticky iridescent side. These ones are every year bunny ears that I've seen most of the time there. So there's that. I got these candies. It's almost Layla's birthday on March, and I'm starting to gather things. And you guys know, if you guys have watched my birthday hauls things, I do haul these a lot. These are the cherry flavor sour candy, and I love these. I love them. I got 3 packs. And then containers. We'll do the containers now. This one's the egg storage. I only found one. They do have the lids. I do watch this Crafty Girl channel, and she started to do her fridge, organize her fridge, and I got inspired. I want to do it too, but I only found one of the egg containers, and it only fits like 1 egg. It seems like it will fit more, like not like 1 egg, like all these, but it looks like you can put some on top, but you really can't. The other containers are these. which have this little like lip here so you can pull it. I only got 3. There were more, but I only got 3. They are called fridge storage bins, and you can, you know, obviously use them for whatever you want. They do have the grippy bottom like this, and I got 3. I don't know what I'm gonna use it specifically for, but I got 3 of those. And then I got 2 of these, which are also going to be for my fridge. I wanted them to be clear like these, but there was only one, and I didn't want to get one blue and one clear. I did went to my dollar store, a relatively small Dollar Tree that was next to the post office. I went there to drop off some boxes, and I just went there to grab a balloon, which they were out of helium, that I ended up buying all of these other things. So I got this basket. There's that. Then I got these 2 sketchbooks. They are the artist line sketchbooks. There are 50 sheets, 9 by 6 inches, and these are sketchbooks. They are the white pages. They are sort of in the cheapy side of the like the material, but I bought these ones for Luna and for Layla. I know Layla is, but she always wants anything that Luna has. So I got these for her so she can start drawing in there and not on my actual printer paper. She can draw there and start to learn how to like stay in one paper. For Layla's birthday are these gift bags. I got these. There were in other colors as well, but you can see they have like a see-through star thing, and I like that it was red. I got 2 packets of the red one, and then I got the green one. I originally wanted to have baskets for the goodie bag, but I saw these ones, and I think I'm just gonna do this one and go on the low on that part. Look at this. They are paper baggies. They're like this, but look at, they stand up so nice with the star there, and they're so shiny, and they come 6 in a pack. So I got the 2 red ones and the green one. They are like foil. They do have other kinds of patterns and polka dots and lines, which I recommend for you to check out their party section. They are bombing in there. Then I also got these Princess Puzzle in the 48 piece, and it is Snow White. Layla's birthday is going to be Snow White, and I didn't have a centerpiece kind of thing. So I'm going to do this and use that for her centerpiece for the candy table or the candy card that I'm going to do. So there's that. I also find out that they have cannel gums there, so I actually got 3 packs. I don't know where the other one is. These are like the Mexican to me are the Mexican bubble gum, and I got 3 actually, and they also had another flavors, but I got those 2. I also got these plates, and I got 2 packs of these plates. These plates are the paper plate holder. They come 4 in a piece. It's for the cooking concepts. So you can get a cheap, relatively cheap disposable paper plate, and you can use this to hold it so your plate is not flimsy. And they come 4 in a pack, so it's really nice. They also come in the color white, green, and I saw it, but the time that I went, they only had green and blue, so I decided to go with the blue. Then I also found this container. Now this container I hadn't seen in other stores, and I only saw one. This is from the Essential Organizer with lid, and you can see right there, there is like a little caddy, and it has lid to close, and it has 3 compartments. So I got this one. I also saw this packet or this round container with lid. At first I thought one straw could fit there, but it's not a hole for a straw, and it has like it screws on, and you can nicely fit something in there. And I have containers, but they're like mostly square or things like that, and I never had seen this. They also have in other colors, but I only got one. I only got one in pink to try it out. I did get one of the lunch containers last time, and the lid didn't close very well, so I wasn't happy about that. So I'm gonna try this one first. It is in that hot pink color. I also got these new like fairy or gnome houses. I thought they were so cute. Look at this. It's like it's a little cactus. It has a little flower in there. There's that one. And then there's this one with kind of like an acorn teapot one. I think it's adorable. Look at this. I do have the ones from last year or the year before that, I can't remember. And this one, I'm thinking, oh my god, I didn't see it was so jaggedy from this side. I think it's like a tulip flower, and it's yellow, of course, not like or traditional red, but I thought it was cute. They did have the gnomes and other little trinkets, which the smaller ones, I think they're on the expensive side for be this tiny for $1. But anywho, then I got the apple. I think the apple is the cutest one of them all. Look it. It's like one of those apples that are delicious, scrumptious. You can bite. I thought they were super cute. And Luna grabbed these bubblegum. And these ones are in 3 fruitastic flavors: watermelon, grape, and apple. They do have the traditional like pink. The wrapper is blue and yellow, and it's pink. So she got that one. Then I got this scrumptious puff pastries with strawberry filling cookies. They look delicious. I actually got this one for my dad. It's gonna be his birthday on Sunday. I don't know when this video is coming up. I think it's coming up on Monday, but I got this for him because that's his birthday is that day, and Luna liked them, so we're gonna take them for him. Then I saw this amazing, they do have a section for like shipping and all, like if you have your small little business, you can find everything there. I'm going to do a video about that too. I found these and I got 4 of them. I found this incredible paper mailing tape, and it comes in a 1.89 inches times 432 inches, so like the length and the height, and I love it because I've been struggling with the clear paper, and I think this is better. And I've seen a dispenser that does this, like for, you know, how they usually tape up the box in your Amazon box or your Walmart box. They usually use a paper tape, so this is great. I love that I found this one. I was lucky to find. I hadn't seen them in the Dollar Tree. Then I find one of these tilos. I have gotten this one before, and I wanted another one because I wanted to keep one in its package and actually use one, which I already opened, by the way. Then I found these papers, glitter paper by Jot. Look at that. And these are, they come 3 pieces, and I got these glitter one, which is, it has the red, the black, hot pink, and gold. Then it has the silver, red, and green. The red one, you can hardly see it. Then this one has orange, yellow, and pink. And then this one has purple, green, and blue, and they're all glittery. And I want to try to do a cake topper for Leila's birthday, and I think the light does no justice, especially on the green one, to the glittery part. So I was really happy to find this one. I hadn't seen them in other Dollar Trees. Here's the other packet of those gums. Yeah. Is that it? Oh, and then I found these, which I use for my piggy banks that I sell. If you haven't seen them, I will link my Etsy shop right on the bottom. I use these. I hadn't seen these colors. I only had light blue and lilac, and I got 2 of the red ones. The light one is not, the light is not even in. Then I have 2 of the blue ones. 2 of the lilacs. This is the ones I currently have, which I'm running out. Then kind of like hot pink. Then I have royal blue, which is really nice. They're like pearls, and they come in a string, so it's easier to stick in my little piggy banks. I don't have one to show you at the minute because I already ship it, but I use them on the bottom of the piggy bank, and I like these ones. They're very nice. I got another of these crafter square detail scissors. I had one already and I love it. Look, it comes in a different color this time. The one I had comes in a hot pink, and this is more like a peachy pink. So I got one more of these, which I really like. Then I got more of my thank you cards because I'm running low. I only saw two of them, and this is the ones I found. These are like the foily turquoise color that I love. That's why I got these ones. Then I got two of the decorative shred. This is in the royal blue. I'm also running low on this one, so I got that one as well. And I think that's all that I got from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, that is all that I got from the Dollar Tree. Comment down below what was your favorite item if you like these kinds of videos, and if you haven't found or gotten this one, if you're a small business, run and get them. It's a very decent size for, maybe you can find this way cheaper and a thicker bigger size in Amazon, but hey, a Dollar Tree, if you're really small, I really recommend for you to get that one. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. Comment down below what was your favorite item. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.